Used to never do what's best for me. I was such a hopeless fool.
Hello family, welcome back to another episode of my weekly vlog. So I just left the mall now. I just came back. Not a grocery. Yeah, I went for some grocery shopping. So for some reason I can't really film in there, so I just bought what I bought. So I want to transform my hair. Initially I wanted to color this hair like, you know, blonde color. Yeah. But I'm like, okay, I just want to relax the hair and do this short wave thing, you know. So let me show you the product I got and I'll get started and you'll see the after result later. Yeah, let's get started. Let me show you the products first. Firstly, I love some Tresemme products. I always use Tresemme for some reason because I love it so much. So this is what I got. The Flawless Curls. Sorry about the background noise, people. And yeah, shampoo. And I also have my Ultra, you know, hairspray. Yeah, these are extras. My hair remover cream for my foot. Yeah, so these are the items. So I'm going to be using this, and of course I'm going to be using my comb. Let's see the result, guys. Forget about my nails. Forget about my nails, guys. Yep. So these are my products. Let's get started. And of course, I need to relax the hair, right? So I'm using this olive oil, yeah, to relax my hair. Okay, and I also have this Revlon straightener to straighten the hair. Yeah, I don't know if this is so cheap, like $11, so I don't know if it's gonna do the work, but let's see how it goes. Yeah, people, so this is how it looks. I'm just waiting for like 5 minutes because my hair is short. Then I'll wash it down with my Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. All right, stay tuned for more. Hi people, so this is the finished look. I already applied mousse on it, so it's so good, and I try to do some small weave. So tomorrow I'm going to just straighten this hair, you know, with my straightener, and we'll see how it goes. So this is it. It looks so simple and, you know, so light. I tried my best and I love it. When I straighten it, it's going to take form. Yeah, and that is it. I hope you love content like this, people. If you do, don't forget to just drop a comment down below.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the
Hi family, welcome back to another vlog. So we just came back and guys, I was so tired. I had to do a lot of deep cleaning and all. Sorry I didn't video that because I was so tired. I hope you understand. So it's not been easy. So I'm just trying to unbox some few stuffs I got from Cameroon. I got some hair, so I'm gonna be trying them on. Sorry, I don't, guys, this is chaotic. I can't trace my mic, so just bear with the noise in the background and all of that, please. Yeah, so I ordered this I don't know how this hairs, I don't know how they call them, so I'm just going to be trying them out here. I ordered this burgundy short. I think it's about 10 inches or 8 inches or so. So I'm going to be trying them out. My hair, it looks horrible, no problemo. So let's try it out and see. Let's try the hair out and see how it is. I still have to get it customized and all. Yeah, it's not really giving. I don't know why it's like this, but and I'm using the front camera, so it's not going to be really cool. So I'm gonna try this. If it doesn't work well, ooh, this thing is hot. I'll go to the bathroom before I iron my face. It was on short notice. Most of the time I just get the wigs customized, so I don't have time, people, to bleach the knot and all of that. I can do it by myself because I took some lessons on that. But yeah, I think that'll be like a content too. Guys, you know what, let me go do this thing. When it's okay, then I'll come show you how it is. Let me go do in the bathroom so I focus. To be honest, you guys, I don't think I love this hair. Or is it that it's styling well or something? I don't know. Maybe I'm missing a point. Anyways, maybe when I lay it down correctly and bleach the knot. Yeah, so this is how the hair looks like. Yeah. Babe, please reduce your volume. YouTube strike. Thank you. Yeah, so this is it. I think if I style it, it will be better. Honestly, I don't really like it. If you guys know the number of hairs I've given away, I don't know. Once I order and it comes, I'm trying the second one. I don't like it anymore. This one I ordered in is it Closure? Closure, because I don't, this frontal of a thing, man, it's a lot of work. You have to go pay for installation and it's so expensive here, and I don't even have the time. I just wanted something I'll just put on and I'm going. This is like a 24 inches. Yeah, so this lady sent, yeah, she sent the Closure, so I have no choice. Let me try out this one. Apparently I have like 3 closures and I hardly put them on because I don't have time to be gluing up and down. Let's see how this one goes. Yeah, this one is better, it's good. And again, all of these wigs, they need to be customized, bleached and customized. Yeah, this is good. I love the hair texture. But moving on, guys, I'll prefer to save money and get a good donor hair, good original hair, than all of this. You know, I think I saw one hair, I think it sells for like $1,000. I prefer to save money and buy them because it will take long. You know, but for now, for a broke girl, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, this is really good. Like, look at, I've not even styled it that much, but already it's giving. Yeah, it's giving. I like it. I just need to install it. And one thing I hate about installation, I cannot install my hair and sleep. I don't know how people sleep with their hair installed. Like, how do you do it? It's not one of my strongest suit, people. How do you sleep with hair? I don't even want anything to touch me. Although, yeah, this is winter, and that is why I ordered this hair, you know. And the burgundy color, I wanted it in black, but I've seen the original one. I think it sells for like $300 if I count 135,000 if I'm buying in Cameroon. For the same burgundy I had on, but for the original donor hair. Moving on, that is what I'm going to be getting. I'll prefer to have 2 hairs, 2 wigs. That is super original, you know. Yeah, and I want to patronize my Cameroonian brand. I could just order from Nigeria, but nope. Let me patronize my people. So all of this hair is from a Cameroonian. She's really good. Yeah, and she sells donor hair too. So I'm gonna order the donor hair from her, and I'm gonna show you guys. It's better you have one thing that is really good. I think I love this hair, and of course, you can't go wrong with black. You can't go wrong with black. See? This one is really, really good. I think I love this, and it's gonna look so nice on me. I have another one since I've had that hair for like 6 months now. I think I wore it just once, and it was on emergency. It's the same with the frontal. Let me see if I have it right here. Okay, I have the hair right here. It's the same thing. Let me show you guys how it looks. Sorry people, I don't even have my brush. All these colorful hairs, I don't know where I'm going with. I have this one too right here. Sorry, it's a little messy, but I'll style it and you see. So it has this brown color right here. It's really beautiful. I just malhandled it. Yeah, so it's the same frontal, orange and, you know, dark brown. I don't know how they call that brown color. Yeah, so it's same like this. I've worn this just once, but I think I'm going to be wearing this like a lot. I love this black one. Yeah, okay guys, remember, let's move now to, I'll just leave this one on here while I talk. Remember, you could slay really good with this perfume. I think let me flip the camera away. Oh, I bought my bags and I'm just admiring them. Let me just show you one. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this cute? Cute little bag right here. Okay. The perfumes I bought the last time that I ordered on Amazon, they are right here in front of me. Sorry, Bobby already did the unboxing for me. Yeah, if you're someone that want to smell so good and under a low budget, I'm talking of about $30 and down, this is the perfume you order. You open. Welcome to another video. So this is how we started this video today. So I'm cooking on Topsy banana. If you're from Cameroon, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is my spices already mixed. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just trying to reduce it. This is just tomatoes, onion, garlic, ginger, parsley, and spring onion. Yeah, and of course chili. So this is what I have. And this is palm oil. I'm frying it inside the palm oil. So I love Topsy so much. Can this camera zoom? Yeah, so I'm just going to add, oh guys, sorry. Guys, hi people, welcome to another vlog. So we're starting off this vlog. I'm cooking this beautiful corn chaff. You see that it's so clean. I'm doing it the traditional way. So I apply limestone. I already washed it. So this is the second part. I want it to cook for a while, and after I will transfer to this pot right here. Or transfer to this pot. I don't want the pot to be, you know, have any grease or anything. That's why I'm boiling the corn inside this dark pot. Yeah, so after this, I'll just add some water and cook it for like an hour or so for it to get softer, and I'll introduce my beans. Yeah, you're gonna watch the process. All right, so I'm doing it the traditional way. I washed it with kanwa, and there's a way to wash this. Sorry, I was on a call and I forgot to film. I used this how is this called now? Is it towel or cleaning something? Yeah, I used this put the corn inside, not this one, the other one. Put the corn inside and just wash it, because my mom taught me how to wash this using you can use your back or anything. Just washed it like that. Yeah, so that's how to take out these black stuffs. You can see, you see how clean it is. Yeah, okay. Hi family, welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going out to, we have super good news, but I'm not going to share it now. But we're going somewhere to meet with some people, and you know, we're doing 1 or 2 stuffs. I'm going to be updating you guys here, but you know, until everything is settled, before I can open my mouth and say what is going to happen. You're going to say it on this channel anyways, but this is not the right time, so I'm just prepping and waiting for Oga. He's taking a nap. We've been working the whole night. Yeah, so we decided to chill this afternoon. I just woke up, so he's still sleeping. It's not easy. We work almost like entrepreneurship is not for the weak. You don't have any time, and the good thing is you get to set your timetable. That's a good thing. So we're stepping out now. I think anyway we'll just drive around. I'll show you guys what I'm up to, and probably grab a beer. We always have a beer every weekend. There's a brewery just across the street. It's not too far from here. We just love to take those evening walks and have the beer, you know, refreshes, keeps you a little bit tipsy, not too much, and you just come back home, shower, straight to the bed. Yep. All right people, let's dive into it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. All right, guys, I don't know where I kept my mics. I just have to order for another one, and I haven't started using my camera. See, we're gonna do a sit down chit chat. All right, talk to you later.